Namaste, one and all. From Yoga Samskritam University, we thank you all for this wonderful opportunity given to us to present my thought on new education for new era. A beautiful concept coined by Brahma Kumaris for the everyone to view and know the new thoughts, how it is going to come on that. To start on this, I would like to focus on two lines given by Swami Vivekananda. It's a beautiful quote what he has given. You may build a temple in which to worship God, but a better one, a much higher one, already exists, the human body. That's what a beautiful thing what he has coined. This quote I would like to link with my presentation here. What all we all know, each and everyone knew. The human birth is a precious one. And that too, the human body is a very precious one. It requires a right usage of it. That's a wonderful point we all should understand. And I would like to give a small glimpse on this, what I have written, I would like to present before you. First of all, we should understand why education is very important. Health education is very important as it improves the health standards of the country. The citizen, the country. If citizens better off, country better off. We all knew about it. It further helps in preventing diseases and making people more aware of their health conditions. This is the wonderful point. That is why health education is a must. The health education, yoga, jyotisha, all are interlinked. That I would like to present. How we can improve health education? We can improve health education by making the people of remote areas more aware. That's the focus what I wanted to tell you. Remote areas, we should focus more on remote areas. We should go and teach them. Where the transport is not in a position to reach, we should reach. Whereby the remotest area, the rural people, the villages of the villages where we have to go and teach and spread. One can organize programs, camps, plays, folk shows and more plus teach the properly in all schools. This is the thing what I would like to say, the new era focusing on remotest places. Education of health and well-being. A good quality education is the foundation of health and well-being. For people to lead healthy and productive lives, they need knowledge to prevent sickness and disease. Where here the yoga, Jyotish, education, all coming in this. Linking one in this word. The need to prevent sickness and diseases. The teaching, the new method may eliminate these things and give a wonderful health. I would like to tell about it. As we all know, 2015 Incheon Declaration confirms that education develops the skills, values, attitudes that enable citizens to lead healthy and fulfilled lives. This is 2015 declaration says. Health education. Focusing on health education, which definitely gives a quality life. Now let us see a new education for new era. I was just telling you to focus our attention to the remotest areas. And the quality education, health education will definitely improve person's mentality, attitudes. Let's say your education, yoga, Jyotish. See, when I just talk about Jyotish, being an astrologer, whereby parting knowledge to many students. Astrology always it tells you the lagna, the birth time, the birth lagna is very important. That focusing, this astrology will tell you how far you are going to fly in education, how far you are going to be useful in society. That's a very beautiful concept. Today I don't want to talk much on that. But astrology helps to understand how far you are going to fly. What's your status? How you are going to get name and fame? How people are going to listen to your words? The punching words, how they are going to listen. Astrology will definitely help you. Education, I was telling you, education, good health. Always what happened, we should focus on mother. Give more knowledge to the mother, educate mother, mother imparts knowledge to the children. Teach mother. Every household mother plays a vital role in teaching the children. Then, mother's child relationship is very important. Then in this, yoga helps you mental hygiene. When the mental hygiene comes, how you can improve mental hygiene is a pranayama. The pranayama techniques are very great. Ida, Pingala, Sushmana, Nadi, when you are practicing pranayama, definitely your mind gets so beautifully, gets peace, and whereby mind purifies and your good thought comes. Good thought, it develops, you will come up like anything and the entire country develops, people around you getting developed. Emotional stability, the pranayama, yoga, physical exercises all help you to get emotional stability. Higher level of Krishna conscious, Bhagavad Gita, what it tells. Bhagavad Gita, everything, all Rajasa, Tamasa, Sattvika, all gunas it is talking, and make yourself right from the habit of the food, how to take your food, what type of food makes you, a quality is Sattvika or Rajasa or Tamasa, the consciousness comes here. Daily yoga, you know very well our Prime Minister Modi ji always talks of Surya Namaskar, and there is an international day on Yoga Day. Yoga plays a vital role and asanas plays a vital role. That also helps you to have a good physical activity and body stamina. Good body, always Siddha says, excellent body will help you to go for meditation. Body are very, very important. That's why yoga important. Teaching of Bhagavad Gita, Idikasas, Puranas. This knowledge we will have to part it to the children. What is the good moral value? Ethics, how to lead. In this, totally, when you are imparting the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, with that I would like to conclude. Sarvadharman parichyatya mamegam saranam vraja akantva sarva papepyu mokshishyami masusaga. Lord Krishna says, what all you do, where all you worship, it all comes to me. You see, you surrender, get under me, surrender me, I will protect you. That is why Adi Shankara says, our human body is a temple where Atma is residing. Protect it by practicing pranayama, yoga and higher conscious, reading Bhagavad Gita and yogas. With this, when you focus, definitely our body gets purified, our thought becomes excellent. That is why the new education and era will have to teach yoga, normal education, Jyotisha, and should reach the remotest corner of the country. Thank you very much for the opportunity given.